Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to make a cabbage steak. Yes, you heard it right. It's a cabbage steak. So, I'm just letting you know guys na steak is not only for meat. So this time, gawa naman tayo ng vegetables at saka ito yung napili kong gawin. So, you can use red cabbage or even white cabbage, but for me, I choose to use red cabbage because it's so more appetizing, diba? So attractive. Okay, so let's get started. I have a whole cabbage. Make it sure that don't cut the core. So as you can see guys, so this is it. So make it sure na don't cut the core. Alright? And for those hanging leaves, you can take it out and you can save it for later. You can put in your noodles or whatever you want to put. You can save it. So this is it. And once you're done cutting, you should wash it in water. Okay? So I have 4 slices of cabbage and just only use 4. There we go. Let's wash it. Let's wash it. Ito lang natin guys, mga 5 minutes siguro. Then, panguin na. After 5 minutes, remove it from water. So this is what we need. We have chopped garlic, 1 cup of balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So in a baking pan, arrange the cut cabbage. And don't worry about the loose part. You can take it out and save it for later use. Anyways, you can use it for your noodles, for your soup, for your salad. There's no problem. So save it and put in the fridge. And now it's time to season the cabbage. So let us start with the salt, and black pepper. It's okay guys, 1 teaspoon and of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper is enough for the whole cabbage, so it will not be tasty. And after sprinkling with the salt and the pepper, it's time to pour the chopped garlic and after that we can put our olive oil at the end. And bake it in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes in 445 degrees. So while we are waiting for our cabbage from the oven, let us boil the balsamic vinegar. So this is for the sauce later, and boil it in a medium heat until it becomes half. So I think our sauce is enough, so we're going to transfer it in a cup and leave it like that. So once the cabbage are cooked, so remove it from the oven and pour this sauce into the sliced cabbages like that. So this is now our cabbage steak. You can serve it as an entree or a side dish. So hope you enjoy, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.